This how to 1 minute will show you how to show entire Twitter feed in WordPress website. So right now I'm in a post editor, and here I'm simply clicking on add block, and in the search box type Twitter, and all you have to do is just click on Twitter to add. And now go to your Twitter and open your profile, copy your profile link and paste it here, and click on embed and click on update or publish. And now let's view the post. And here, as you can see, the Twitter entire profile has been added to my WordPress, and this is add entire Twitter profile in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.